In this video, I'm going to show you how to make bread. You're going to need 5 cups of flour, adding an additional few tablespoons if needed, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1 1/2 cups of milk at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted butter cooled and some extra for coating a bowl and brushing on the bread, and 2 eggs. First, you're going to combine 1/4 cup of milk and the yeast. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now add the rest of the milk, sugar, salt, butter, and eggs. Mix everything together till it's combined. Now slowly add the flour to the mixture. If your dough is too sticky, you can add an additional 1 tablespoon of flour at a time until it comes together like this. Grab a large bowl and then coat it with melted butter. Unfortunately, I didn't film me doing this, but put the dough in the bowl and then turn over to coat the entire dough with the melted butter. Cover your bowl and place it in an oven that has the oven light turned on and proof for an hour and a half. Now remove from the oven and knead on a lightly floured surface for a couple of minutes. Place back in the bowl, cover, and put it in the oven and proof for another 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and punch the dough. Now divide the dough in half. Place each half in a bread pan. Cover once again and place back in the oven for 20 minutes. Remove from the oven and brush the bread with melted butter. During this time, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Bake the bread at 400 degrees for 10 minutes and then lower the temperature to 350 degrees and cook for an additional 25 to 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and place on a rye rack to cool for a few minutes. This is really, really delicious bread. It goes with most of anything. If you do try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.